back to the Lena effect. Effect, not infect. I just want to get that clear. I know we're in a weird time right now. I'm excited. This is my first unboxing. I don't really know how they're supposed to go. Yeah, okay, maybe I've watched like one unboxing video or two unboxing. I just don't watch YouTube videos a lot. I mean, I do, but I don't watch them a lot like other people would if they made videos. I should probably get better at that. Today we're doing an unboxing because, I don't know, why not? I mean, people do unboxings of phones. I'm pretty excited. So let's get into it, right? Voila. What is this? A box inside, it's empty. What the? I'm totally just kidding, but like the 1 or 2 unboxing videos I did watch, they were fails and people like got the wrong stuff. You've been waiting how long for that iPhone 10 and you received a charger instead? Like, ouch. All right, guys, we've got some serious unboxing to do. I actually work for a company that is sponsored by Nike. During competition days or competition weeks, if we win, we get Nike gear, which is, but you know, I'm a little eco-conscious freak, so I'm always a little hesitant about apparel and workout apparel and work apparel and what they're made out of and all that jazz. At least I'm trying to be. So I'm really excited to do this unboxing for Nike. These shoes I actually currently won in my last competition. Yeah, so I'm feeling pretty cool. But that's not all we're gonna unbox today. There's more! Yeah, there's more. Got a whole nother box of unknown goodies to unbox as well. Very exciting. So, let's get started. Let's jump into the first box. Nike shoes. Heck yeah. Pull up these tights here. Make sure we're ready. Kids, don't try this at home. Very sharp. Nike just put together one of their first collections of eco-friendly Nikes. Alright, ready? Hello, can I get a little help here? Talk about their logo in like 5 different languages. All right, guys, let's try this again. Can I get my music back, please? The actual collection's name is Space Hippie. So I guess that's better than like Tree Hugger, right? It's Nike Trash Transformed. Let's take a closer look here. It's actually a pretty cool box. I'm guessing this little thing over here on the side is to tell you more about it. They're actually wild looking. Look at that. Look, guys, a little magic match. I knew what color I was getting. I was about to just match it up today, you know what I'm saying? Look like I am a space hippie, but I mean, that's the future, right? Space. Yeah, that's true. Style of the shoe, I'm really enjoying it. This is a fabric top up here. I mean, it looks wild, right? Looks like I'm gonna be like walking into space. One small step for Lena. One giant step for Nike and the planet. This is space, if you don't know. I know it's not 100% recycled, but at least they are diving into sustainability and more along the lines of eco-friendly activewear. It's so nice to see, and that's why I'm like all down to support, you know? Plus, you know, we're sponsored by them, so had to get me some shoes, and why not give me the ones that are eco-friendly, you know? Honestly, it's a pretty awesome looking shoe, not gonna lie, and a match. Kind of like a conversation starter, you know what I mean? When I'm knocking doors, oh, be like, yeah, that's made of our waste. If you actually take a look, you can see all the little pieces that it was made out of. I mean, I'm about them, I'm not gonna lie. I'm proud of Nike for creating a line that is their lowest carbon footprint yet. I hope more down the line that could be 100% sustainable. I think it's awesome that they are moving towards this direction. Just knowing, you know, what's going on with the planet. Actually take both of them out so you can take a look. All right, guys, we are going to be opening our second box. These are going to be 100% recycled, sustainable materials. I actually found this brand not too long ago, and I really like them because I think they're a great alternative to another really popular brand out there. Let's check out what I got going on here. You know what, guys? I'm not gonna lie. I opened it earlier, but I didn't open it all the way, so I just wanted you guys to get the excitement of me cutting open the box. But in all reality, I opened this 2 days ago when I got it. I just thought about doing the unboxing. But yeah, so I've already opened it. I haven't opened it all the way, so here we go. Okay, ready? Cue the music. Of course, another box inside of a box, like duh. All right, guys, so we're gonna be unboxing. I talked about these shoes in my last video. The brand is called Nothing New. This is not a sponsored video. I just care about the planet, so it's like, why not share, you know? So this box was actually made from 100% recycled paper. We're off to the right start here. All right, guys, here we go.
A-Town down. Yeah.
All right, no. Wrong music. Can we get the right music, please? Jeez. Now the moment we've been all waiting for, the 100% recycled material, sustainable sneakers. Custom materials, built to last, comfortable, durable, nothing new. Thoughtfully designed and handcrafted with integrity. That is a brand that I want to be wearing, so let's check out what they got going on. I enjoy finding more and more brands that are eco-friendly and sustainable. Oh. All right, are we done with the shoe montage? It even says on the little tab in here, it says, this product was made from recycled plastic bottles. Damn right, if we're gonna have the plastic here, we might as well use it for something, right? And that way we don't keep making wasteful stuff out of new products. So they also have high tops on the website. Soles are actually Ortho-Lite Eco Step insoles. They're antimicrobial, which is awesome to have in a shoe. Hey, you wanna come over and get worn sometime? Wait, what? Is the camera still on? What? The bindings are actually made from 100% recycled cotton. Let's take them both out of the box. Wait a minute. That's not the box song I wanted to talk about. Something, something, box in the box. Something a box. I don't know the words. I don't know the words. Let's take them both out so you can see what they both look like. Fresh. 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 Alright guys, yeah, so whether you're sporty and cute or chill and cute, I mean, you got eco-friendly options with a larger brand who is trying to go in the direction, as well as a brand new brand who is setting things on fire over here with their design. I know Adidas also has the Parlay, which you know I'm about to get on girlfriend. Low waste living isn't always about consuming. Obviously you want to reduce your use when you can, but I go door to door and I do run through shoes quite a bit. So if I'm going to buy shoes, I'm going to run through them and I need good quality shoes, I'm going to be looking at the brands that have recycled collections, as well as new eco-friendly brands who are trying to make their mark in the industry. Don't these remind you of somebody? I absolutely love the details. The shoe is just really nice looking. Maybe I'll do a little cleaning video for them when they get dirty, because I know they will, because who keeps white shoes white? Right? Flat bottom shoes, you make the rockin' world go round, right? Isn't that how it goes? Alright guys, enough with the boxes, at least for today. Thanks for tuning into my channel, guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Shoot me a comment below, tell me what you think about the brands. Have you guys tried out either of these these shoes? Do you love them? How do you feel about them? Make sure you smash that subscribe button because you know y'all want to come join me again. Turn on those notifications, turn them on, and we'll see you next video. Bye.